In the last video, we made the LED fade out with a capacitor. Today, we learn the tool that explains why circuits behave the way they do, the multimeter. We will measure resistance, voltage, continuity, and current. Plus, we will test diodes and transistors HFE. This dial selects what you want to measure, and we have a few options here. Now it's off. When you turn it, you can choose what you need. You can measure voltage, resistance, diode and continuity, capacitance, frequency, HFE, temperature and current. Black probe you put in COM. Red one you can place here or here. This one is only for high current up to 10 amps, and this one is for measuring everything else, and current up to 400 milliamps. Resistance is measured with power off and out of the circuit. Now in the circuit, if I measure with capacitor in parallel, when I connect my multimeter, you can see it takes some time to see the readings. It's because the capacitor is interfering the measurement. So you always wanna take out the resistor from the circuit and measure it like that, because now we are sure the reading is correct. You can see now we have almost instant reading. Voltage is the electrical push between 2 points. To measure it, put the meter in parallel with the part. Across this resistor, we have 1.1 volts. That's the voltage the resistor uses. You can also reference ground. Connect the black probe with the ground, and you can move red one around the circuit. You can place it here. Here we have 3.1 volts, and here between resistor and LED we have 2 volts. It's because the resistor is taking 1.1 volts. So 3.1 volts minus 1.1 volts, we have 2 volts. We can also measure capacitance. We will take our capacitor and we will connect our probes. The black one to the minus and red one to the plus. You can see we have 116 microfarads, and we have written here 100 microfarads, so it's close enough. Current is different. The meter must go in series with the circuit. So we have to break the circuit. If you wanna measure current right here, you have to take out resistor. We will place it something like that. Like that. And now the circuit is broken here. We will connect these points with our meter. We will select our current and we will measure here. Oh, I have to turn on. Okay, now you can see LED is glowing, so we connected these points and we have 7.3 milliamps here. Now we can do something like that. We will measure current between resistor and LED. We'll place it right here and connect multimeter here. And here we have 7.3 milliamps. Diode mode applies a small current and shows forward voltage. This red LED is about 1.8 up to 2 volts. We connect our red probe into longer leg and black probe in the shorter one, and you can see it glows a little bit. When we reverse, nothing happened. There is no conduction. Great for checking polarity and if a diode LED is alive. Some multimeters can measure transistors HFE, like this one. You insert the transistor here. I will take our BC337 transistor and PN. I will plug it in here and you can see it has 192 HFE. Continuity is a fast low resistance check. If the path is below the meter threshold, it beeps. Great for wires, switches and finding breaks. You can place it like this and this, and if it beeps, it means there is connection between these 2 points. You can place it like this and this. A capacitor may beep briefly while it charges. It is normal. Very small capacitor can beep all the time because they charge and discharge so fast that the meter reads it as a short. An LED and diode may conduct one way. Some LEDs even glow faintly. It's normal. Now you know how to measure different things in your circuit. From now on, the multimeter is your best debugging tool. And next time we add a potentiometer to control brightness.